Hello and welcome to another episode of So What Do You Actually Do? In today's episode, we got the chance to sit down with Muneeb, who is a product designer at Axios HQ. Axios HQ is an AI-powered software that helps organizations of all sizes plan, write, and send essential communications that boost trust, transparency, and alignment. His educational background is in systems and industrial engineering from Virginia Tech. Later on, he got his master's in human-computer interaction, which was really the link to product designing. Muneeb gets a pay range of $140,000 to $160,000, and in this episode, he talks exactly about what he does day to day and what he accomplishes for Axios HQ. Please stay tuned until the end.
I guess starting with the day, my day is broken up into really two halves because I have coworkers who are on the West Coast. So we don't really start meetings until 12 p.m. Eastern time. That early morning time, anytime before 12 p.m., I'm in Figma doing actual designing features or setting up our research questions, things like that. And then starting at 12 p.m., we have stand up, which we kind of connect as a team, talk about what's in progress, what we maybe challenges that we had, any help we need, stuff like that. So it's basically a quick check-in. That's at 12 p.m. And then afterwards, I might have a meeting with some engineers on something they're building that I designed, or I'll meet with the design team, which is the other designers that are on the other squads, and then our design manager. So some days I might meet with them just to get feedback or see what everybody else is up to. And then we have customer calls as well. So our customer calls are really key for us. Those are where I'm just showing customers a design for a future feature that's coming out or that I'm working on, and I'm trying to get feedback from them, hey, would this be helpful, or what are some issues you might see with this? I'll make prototypes for them to actually click through and maybe just monitor to see what's confusing for them as they try to use it. Then eventually I'm handing off those designs to engineers, and we're kind of collaborating when they actually start to build them.
Nice. Wow. Thank you. That's a very concise and very to the point breakdown.
Yeah, smart brevity. That's why.
There you go.
I'm learning it.
You mentioned earlier something that you do in the first 3 hours of the day with your designs. What's that platform called? And is that something that you learn in a specific course, or is that specific to Axios HQ?
It's not specific to HQ. So if anybody's looking to get into product design or UX design, Figma is the tool that I think is most commonly used. That's Figma, Figma. And so I've been using Figma ever since I started doing design for, I don't know, 7-8 years ago or so. And so that's where you can actually create how a new feature might look, and that's where we hold all of our designs as a company. And then we'll also do prototyping within there, so you can basically link certain buttons, so then if you put it in front of a user, they actually feel like they're using a real app, but there's no engineering work involved. It's all just basically a prototype within Figma that they can click through, and we kind of have it already all set up for them to go through the best experience. And that's how we learn what's working, what's not, are certain words or labels confusing, and that's how we get feedback and continue to get closer to what the best user experience is for them.
Thank you for making it all the way till the end. I hope you learned a lot from this episode. If you're interested to learn more about the skills, how he got there, what he's doing now, or a lot of the advices that he has, and more of the day-to-day, please listen to the longer version that we have in the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and have a great rest of your day.